Welcome to the Urban Guru. Life is beautiful. Embrace it. Embrace all that is around you. All that around us is what gives us the ability to live on this earth. The trees, the plants, nature. So we have to learn again to not be detached, not to be fearful of what's around us. Embrace it. Reconnect to it. Choose to breathe the beautiful air that's around us. In the hustle and bustle of city life, we no longer have opportunities to recharge ourselves, to find solace in nature. Nature doesn't want anything from us, but it gives everything to us. We have little enclaves or parks around our cities, but really going out, feeling nature itself, truly reinvigorates the mind, the body and spirit, the lungs, the soul. We all live in this constant disconnect, constant denial, constant withdrawal from the sources that can give us regeneration, give us energy and ground us. We go to classes, yoga classes, meditation classes, all sorts of different outlets, weights, gyms, in order to find the connect when it's all around us. If you just open your eyes and give yourself some time to once again unwind with nature. People are scared of the earth, they're scared to touch things, it's too muddy, it's raining, they're scared to be outside in nature. So let's all push ourselves again and remember what is pure and easy around us. Thank you.